Madhya Kiryana Store, and this website is an online platform for purchasing daily groceries and household items. So, when we open this website, we first see the homepage. There is a navigation bar at the top menu, and which contains home, about, shop, delivery, and the contact. These options help users easily move to different sections of the website. So here, these are the navigations bar. And there comes the next part. Uh, in the main section, there is a banner with the message Everything You Need, One Trusted Store, which highlights that all daily essentials are available in the one place only. Below this, a short description explains that the store provides quality grocery products at fair prices with home delivery service. And under that, there are action buttons, which is shop now, that allow users to directly browse and purchase products. Second one is order on WhatsApp. This enables customers to place orders easily through WhatsApp. And the third one is get directions. That helps users find store location using maps. So here comes the next part. If we scroll down, we can see the highlights of the store's performance and the reliability. This website mentions that more than 500 products are available, and 1,000 families have been served, indicating customer trust and trusted quality. That tells that the store provides reliable and high quality products. When we go downwards, here comes the other section, shop by category. So next we see the shop by category section, which organizes products into different groups. Categories such as groceries and staples, spices and cooking oils, dairy products, snacks, household essentials, personal care and fresh items are available here. This helps customers quickly find products without searching through the entire store. When a user clicks on any category, if we click at any category, the website displays related products along with the prices, making shopping easy and efficient. After we scroll further, we see the information about the deliveries services. The website offers same day delivery for orders placed before a specified time, and it serves Narayan Nagar and nearby areas in Chhapra. Multiple payment options are available, including cash on delivery and UPI, allowing customers to pay conveniently at their uh, footstep. And why choose Aradhya Sec? The store offers a wide product variety with more than 500 everyday essentials. It provides affordable prices with the best deals in the area. The store is trusted by many families, showing customer satisfaction. It is located at a convenient place near DAV Public School, making it easy to access.